how to use your Coinbase wallet. So if you want more tutorials like this, click that subscribe button, and of course that bell icon also for you to be updated in this channel. So first, we're going to go to our Play Store and search Coinbase Wallet. So there will be two apps that you are going to see, the Coinbase Wallet and the Coinbase. So what we would do is choose the Coinbase. So this is with the circle logo with the square on the in the middle. And if you have updated it and have the latest version, just open it. So we are going to open our Coinbase wallet here and just wait for a moment. So I am going to create a new wallet, but if you have one, just click on I already have a wallet. So it is loading right now, and then I would choose here is to back up it in the Google Drive. So it is black here in the video because there is a code, so you're not able to see the video because the code is being black. And in here I am going to skip this one. So we have here the permissions to back up your Coinbase wallet in your Google Drive. So click on done if you want to check it, and scroll down and click on allow. So this would allow the terms and permissions for the Coinbase wallet to back up in your Google Drive. So in here, after backing up, we will be creating a password. So in the password here, just type in your password and after that, just click on continue. So this would create your account and it would protect your wallet. Just click on I agree, and you can use fingerprint for your security or your Face ID for iOS. And then you can also claim your username, but I will choose here maybe later. If you want, you can. So I am now officially creating my wallet. And my wallet is now loading. So this might take for a few seconds. And you will see here in my dashboard that I have 0. So you can fund your wallet as well. I have $0 right now because it is a newly created wallet. And then here in the assets tab, you can see it here on the main dashboard. And in the transactions, you can see the transactions that you have made here, so you could keep track of your transactions. And in the browser, so just like it just like works like a browser, like a normal browser, where you can search things that you want to know about the cryptos and NFTs and things like that. So you can collect, swap, manage, and earn cryptos here as well. and going to explore, you can search for the coins and the NFTs here. So it is also categorized. Like in here, you can see the Bitcoins, the BNBs, Ethereums, and other cryptocurrencies that is known today. And also it is shown here what is the status of the cryptos. And of course we have also NFT here, and I think this is new. And once you go to settings, you will find a lot of things, just like connect to Coinbase, security, display, and things like that. So you can also connect your Coinbase to your coin wallet. So just connect my Coinbase, just check or click that one, and you'll be able to sign in here by putting on your email and your password. So before that, just make sure that you have an account in Coinbase, and also you have installed Coinbase on your phone, just like this one. So the other app that we would need for that one is this, the Coinbase, where you can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum as well as trade them. So the wallet is also a partner of this app, where you can store your cryptocurrencies and acts like a digital wallet. So if we go back here to the assets, so here by clicking buy, you can buy or transfer Bitcoins and also by receiving, by click on the receive, you can have your addresses here, your Ethereum and your Bitcoin address. You can also copy these addresses, or you can also show the QR code so that it would be easier for them to scan, and they would send you some Ethereum or Bitcoin. So very easy. And of course we also have this QR code where you yourself can send Ethereum or Bitcoin to some people who have those QR codes that I have shown you earlier. So it is a very easy process and very easy, straightforward app to use. So I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, just say it in the comments, and I hope to see you on the next video.